Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, we are making this delicious three-bean salad. Stay tuned. Let's get started, guys, and as usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. We're gonna get started by adding some oil into our hot pot, and we're gonna go ahead and saute our onions. Now here I used a full medium onion. You can dice it up, you can slice it up however you wish, honey. So I'm just going to saute there for about a minute or so. With this salad, you're not looking to cook down everything, guys. You want texture, you want texture, you want texture, honey. Okay, now proceed with adding your crushed garlic and ginger. You know, guys, I always use the mixture of garlic and ginger. It's perfect match made in heaven for any dish you want to add flavor in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my parboiled green beans. I just boiled them in a little bit of butter and some chicken stock for like 7 to 10 minutes or less, depending on how crunchy or how cooked you want your green beans. And then saute it for another minute. You're gonna go proceed by adding your yellow pepper and your red pepper. Look at those colors, honey. I mean, imagine that dish on your Christmas table, honey. Plus, this recipe is so easy, it's so delicious, and it comes together so quickly. And it can be your alternative to chakalaka. Instead of serving chakalaka, you can serve this dish and it'll complement so beautifully. Okay, now go ahead and saute that for another 3 minutes. And for our seasoning, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of paprika, a little bit of thyme as well. You can use some oregano, you can use some basil, honey, just go for the flavors that you're going for. But for this instance, I just used thyme, already. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my traditional brine mixed spice, and those are our seasonings, guys. It's a simple dish, you don't want to complicate it. One herb, one spice, a little bit of paprika, and you are good to go. We're gonna go ahead and saute that for another 3 to 5 minutes just to cook off those spices. Now, like I said, this is an alternative to your traditional chakalaka. But if you do want a chakalaka recipe, I'll leave it in the cards or in the description down below. You can check it out, honey. It's also thebomb.com. Just remember to keep stirring your vegetables so that they didn't burn. I did use high heat. And then after 3 to 5 minutes or so, you're going to proceed with adding your tomato sauce. Now we're going to build that. If you want a saucy salad, you can decide at this point how much sauce you want to add it. I'm gonna add tomato sauce and some chili sauce. Alright, we're going to stir those in, honey. Just keep making sure that you keep stirring, or otherwise the sauce will burn at the bottom and they will dry out. Because you want a very saucy salad, you don't want that. So you're just going to saute it for that 3 to 4 5 minutes. Just keep stirring every 30 seconds, every minute or so that your sauces are not sticking at the bottom, and they can just create this beautiful sauce that you're looking for. Okay, Right, now for our beans, I added the green beans, I added some butter beans, and I added some red kidney beans. Now I bought the canned ones because I didn't want to go through the process of cooking the beans. So what I did, I just bought the cans and I strained the brine out and rinsed the beans. So be careful when you're rinsing the beans. Just try not to mush them because they are cooked, they're very soft, so you want to be delicate with them. I just washed off the brine and added them into the pot, honey. I think the colors are beautiful, the difference in the sizes, the textures, honey, the flavors, they just complement each other so beautifully. Trust, okay? So at this point, because the beans are cooked, you want to add them at the end so that they don't become mash. Okay, so once you add them into there, just let them simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can switch off your stove if you want that sauce. If you want more sauce, you can go ahead and add more sauces, but for me, I feel like it was just perfect. My camera was struggling to focus, but that is the recipe, guys. I hope you try it and I hope you love it with your family, and I'll see you on the next one.